Hi, Miss. Miss.
Good morning.
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
Morning, Miss.
Hi, all.
Hi, Miss.
Hi. Okay, so you have 2 minutes to prepare yourselves. Today, I want you all to open the cameras. I need to see you, and you have to participate. I'll give you 2 minutes to do this. In 2 minutes, we'll start solving the worksheet.
Miss Fatin.
Yes?
Miss?
I have finished the worksheet.
My camera is blocked
Great.
by something. It doesn't open.
Okay. What about the others?
Miss, I solved it today. I have a webcam camera, so even if I open my camera on Zoom, it doesn't even work.
Okay.
Miss فاتن
It's okay. Yes, Ghadi.
مس فيني فين تغسل وجهي بفتح الكاميرا
I do not understand Arabic.
بس can I go wash my face
Yes, you can. Okay, I'll count till 10. At 10, I want to see all of you. 1.
Hi, Miss. Sorry that I was late. I didn't have internet.
It's okay. 2. 3. 'If you didn't open the cameras, this means that you're not here. You're not listening to me. 3.
Miss, I can't. I have a problem.
Miss Fatin, my camera isn't working.
Mm-hmm.
I solved the sheet.
Thank you, ya Salman. Well done. 4.
Yes, Miss, just a second.
Miss,
5.
I can't open camera.
Kilkon, you can't open the camera. 5.
Miss, I opened my camera, but you can't see anything because
I can
Miss, the
see.
lights are off and I cannot turn them on because my mom's sleeping.
It's okay. I can see you.
Miss, look at me. I did the best way. My face is in front of you, but you can't see me. It's
It's
sitting in front
okay.
of you.
It's okay. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, for those who didn't open their cameras, what's the reason?
Yes, I did, but it's not working.
It's okay, Angelina. I
I'll send
can
you a
see that
picture.
you did. I can see who did and who did not.
Mine is
Muhammad
blocked.
Jawad, Hala, Zen, Danielle, Leia.
Miss Fatim,
Yes.
I can't open the camera. Miss أنا إيه خربانة Miss. I can't.
Okay, all of you. I can see that almost all of you عندهم كاميرا خربانة. Okay, طب at least the microphones يا جماعة. The microphones. Just to see that you're with me. لمار شهاب، عبد الله، حسن بواب، راما، فعال، مريم. كيكي، دانيال. Daniel, are you even here? زين عفوي. شغري.
Yes, miss, I'm here.
Okay.
Miss I can open it but I can't show my face.
Okay, we'll start right now. So again, if you have any questions, we have a group and you have my phone number. You can send me and I will repeat everything. Okay? Our lessons are not easy, but you're excellent in science, so no worries. Let's start, and I'm talking with all of you.
Open camera.
I know, I can see you. I can see everyone. This is the urinary system. And the urinary system is a part, it is an organ system. It's a system, and it's a part of the excretory system. It helps us to eliminate urine from the body. Let's label it together, and I want to hear all you participating. Maya, Rama. Yeah. What
Yes,
are
miss.
the different organs of the urinary system? Let's start with these two. Let's start with these two. What are these two?
These are the kidneys.
These are the kidneys. We have two kidneys that look like bean seeds. They are found on each side of the backbone, and they have the size of a handspit. Okay. The kidneys are connected to what? What are the kidneys connected
Ureters.
Ureter.
Ureters. Good job. The kidneys are connected to two ureters which look like tubes.
Yes.
Then the ureters are connected together to the
bladder.
to the bladder. And last of all, what do we call the smallest urethra? The urethra is the tube, the small tube that helps you pee. So where is the urine made? Where is the urine
What did
made?
you say, Miss?
Where is the urine formed? Where is it made?
Kidneys.
It is made in the kidneys.
Miss,
The urine is made in the kidneys. Okay, it's noisy somewhere. If it's noisy in your house, keep unmuted. It's noisy somewhere. Okay, better. It's Leia's house. The urine is made in the kidneys. What is the urine made of?
Salt
Okay.
and water. And
Extra water found in the body. Salt.
and salt And there's one more thing.
Juices.
What is it?
Urea. The
Urea. Urea. Good job.
Urea.
Perfect.
This lesson is easy.
Yes, this lesson is easy. Let's put the right numbers in their places. Ask all to unmute. So, the urinary system is made of 4 organs: kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. What do we call the tube starting from the kidney? Which one is this? The tube starting from the kidney.
A bean seed shape.
It's the ureter. Good job. It's the ureter. So it's number 2. The ureter is the tube connected and starting from the kidney. Then, what do we call the tube opening outside the body? Outside the body. It's one small tube that
The bladder.
is the urethra. Good job. It's a small tube. So the ureter is a tube. The urethra is also a tube. The urethra opens outside the body to help you make pee-pee. A bean seed shape. A bean seed shape.
Kidney.
The kidney.
Kidney.
Each kidney has the size of a hand fist and the shape of a bean seed. And what's the pocket located in the pelvis?
Bladder.
The bladder is the pocket related in the pelvis. So the numbers بيكونوا هيك. 2,
2, 4, 1, 3.
4, 1,
3.
urine reservoir. Where is the urine?
The kidney.
Where does the urine accumulate? Where does the urine accumulate?
Bladder.
The bladder. Bravo. It accumulates in the bladder. Filters blood and makes urine. Produces urine.
Kidney.
Evacuate urine outside the body.
The bladder.
It's outside the body. Outside. And last of all, we have the ureters that feeds urine to the bladder. From the kidney to the bladder. So the numbers بيكونوا هيك. 4, 1,
2, 3, 1, 4.
and hold on, I made a mistake. The urine reservoir أنا حاطة الارو غلط. It's the bladder. So it's 3, 1, 2,
4.
هيدي 2.
3, 1, 4. It's the ureter that
and 4.
Leads urine into the
Okay, so 3.
Miss, I thought I had it wrong and then I erased it.
Leia, please keep muted. So the urine reservoir is the bladder, filters blood in the kidneys, outside the body عند اليوريثرا, leads urine to the bladder هن اليوريثرا. طيب هلا full attention, we're talking about the nervous system and the excretory system together. The nervous system and the excretory system together. I will read. Leia, أنت keep mute. Okay, Leia?
Miss, she is mute.
Okay, great.
It's coming from a different person.
Before toilet child's training, so you know that a child or children cannot control their pee, right? We train them for this. Do you know that? That babies wear diapers because they cannot control their pee. So before toilet child training, a simple reflex controls the timing of urination. Sensory nerves in the muscle of the bladder signal the spinal cord بس. It's the spinal cord that the bladder is filling with urine. As an answer in response, motor nerves from the spine signal the bladder muscles to contract and the urethra to relax, allowing urination. So, the child makes urine. The child pees. As the brain matures, it's able to override the spinal nerve signal for the bladder to empty. The bladder gradually becomes capable of storing greater amounts of urine, and a child learns to urinate when it's convenient. Yeah. The question is for all of you. Is the child's urination voluntary action ولا involuntary action ولا reflex action? Is it voluntary or
It's a reflex.
It's a reflex action.
Reflex action.
why?
It's a reflex action.
It's actually controlled by spinal
Do it.
We were not
No,
controlling.
go.
Okay, first of all, you're saying all are correct.
It's a reflex
answers
because I think that
Bravo. It's a reflex action because it's not the child that controls it. كمان, if we want to take the answer from the text, they said a simple reflex control the timing of urination. كمان, is the brain involved in this process? بيتدخل البرين بهيدي البروسيس؟
No.
No.
Who is responsible?
no,
Who is
the
responsible?
parent,
The spinal cord
The spinal
Spinal cord.
مع
spinal
النيرفز.
cord.
Sensory nerves ولا
Yes.
spinal cord. The
And
brain
motor.
is not involved.
Well, there's spinal and nerves and sensory nerves and motor nerves.
That's right. That's right. Bravo. The spinal cord, the sensory neurons, the motor neurons, are the only one involved in this process. They didn't mention the brain. They didn't mention the brain, يعني it's an involuntary action لأنه as you know, in reflex actions, there is no need to think, the brain isn't involved, so it's a reflex action. يلا help me writing the answer.
Reflex.
It is a reflex action.
It is a reflex
Reflex action.
action. Bravo.
Action.
Because
Because it is a reflex action.
Because they said
Because
Because
it's not
Because they can control it.
the reflex action.
Because
You can
this
only
child
control
cannot control
the baby's
time of
urination.
the urination.
can't control the narration.
This process is controlled by a reflex and the brain. Okay. And the spinal cord and the nerves are the only parts.
and the sensory nerves and the motor.
That's right, involved in it. I will add between the brackets, the brain is not involved. So أكيد it's a reflex action. أكيد there is no need to write all of these. I'm just writing them for you to understand. Reflex actions happen without the involvement of the brain. And the two parts, two organs of the nervous system اللي هن الspinal cord مع nerves, and as Hassan said أكيد عندي two types of nerves, the sensory nerves to take the message, the motor nerves to lead the response. Okay? Part B. Part B أكيد في أعمل unmute للكل لأنه now you know all the answer. ليا خليكي أنت muted please. Indicate the nervous system parts involved in the urination process. لمار شهاب، لانا وطفة، كريم، ميا، بواب، غدي، سكيكي، كوندكجي. This question is for you. Yes, Leia, please, because it's noisy your side. Hadi, Asil, Danielle, this question is for you. What are the nervous system parts involved in the urination process?
motor nerves, sensory
Okay,
nerves, and spinal cord.
thank you. Who is this? Adam?
Danielle.
Danielle, thank you so much, Danielle. Spinal cord, nerve, sensory nerve, and motor nerves. Thank you, Danielle. The brain is not involved. أصلاً كل part of the nervous system هن brain, nerves, sensory organs.
أنا on cam ما فيني أطفي cam.
Okay, okay, Hadi, I got it. Thank you. Put in order the steps of transmission of the signal.
بدنا كلنا نضل فاتحين الميكروفون كلنا نفتح كاميرا. ما بدي.
Karim, we all heard you. If you don't want, you can leave. It's okay. You can watch it later. But you're not participating. That's why I'm asking you to open them. Karim?
مش صار كتير بس لأنه أنا ما بحب الكاميرا بس بستحي.
Okay. Arrange in order the steps of transmission of the signal controlling a child's urination. Karim will talk about this later. The urethra relaxes and allows urination. The urine flows inside the urethra.
Sorry for interrupting. But Miss, can you please tell Salman to mute because Miss, there's a lot of sounds coming from him.
Okay, done.
Thanks.
The urethra relaxes and allows urination. The urine flows inside the ureters and accumulates in the bladder. Motor nerves from the central nervous system signal the bladder's muscles to contract. Sensory nerves in the bladder signal the spinal cord that the bladder is filled up. Which one is the first one? Which one is number one?
Mr. Talking with all of us. Miss?
Yes?
Yes.
Talking with all of us.
Yes, all of you.
The last one, Miss.
Miss, you can't
Miss,
hear
the
me.
last one, Miss, when the sensory nerves
Miss,
from the
hello?
bladder signal the spinal cord that the bladder is filled up.
Okay, but the bladder must be filled up before
The
sending
urine
the signal.
flows inside the ureter.
Okay,
Miss
so this one,
Fatin.
yes, Asma, this one is the first one. The urine flows inside the
Can you
ureter
hear me?
and fills the bladder. So this is number one. Now the bladder is filled up. What happens?
Sensory nerves in the bladder signal the spinal cord that the bladder is filled up.
The bladder is filled up, so someone must send the signal to the spinal cord.
Miss, and then
Then
motor
the
signal
the CNS the bladder
The top
moves
four
to
and
contract.
for the last one, 3.
and then
motor nerve to the bladder muscle.
Release it.
The urethra
And
relaxes
then Miss,
for
the urethra relaxes and allows urination.
urination. Okay,
Fatin?
here is the bladder.
Miss Fatin?
Yes,
If I close camera, will you lose participation marks?
no.
Okay.
Here is the bladder. When the bladder is filled up, it sends the nerves, the sensory nerves will send a message to the spinal cord through the motor nerves. So this is the spinal cord. The spinal cord will then send a message back through the motor nerves to the bladder. The muscles in the bladder will contract and the urethra will relax, and then urination happens. Urination. When you go to the bathroom to empty the bladder. Okay, here we have the sensory neurons. Sensory nerves from this side. Sensory nerves send a message to the spinal cord. Motor nerves back to the bladder. This is important. Tomorrow you have a quiz. Tomorrow you have a quiz. So again, the bladder fills up with urine. Sensory nerves send a message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends a message back through the motor nerves to the bladder and urethra, they relax, and the muscles in the urethra relax, and urination happens.
Miss, is the solution up on the app?
Yes. هيدي child's urination. هون عم بحكي عن الريفلكس.
Got a question.
Please stop chatting.
I've got a question.
Yes, Lamai.
No, it's me, Miss Hassan.
Yes, Hassan.
My question is why the bladder is signaling the spinal cord but not the brain? Because both of them are in the central nervous system, and the brain controls the whole body. So why not the spinal cord? I mean, why not the brain but the spinal cord?
Okay. When I talk about the spinal cord with the nerves only, هون عم نحكي عن the child's urination, which is a reflex action. But as you grow, you'll be able to control the urination process. So as the brain matures, it will be able to override the nerves, and then the bladder will signal the brain, and this will turn into a voluntary process. So انت عندك, it's not the diagram that I drew. Yes, Keike? Okay, Hassan? Child's urination,
I get it now.
the brain is not involved. But in our urination, me and you and your friends, since this is a voluntary action, so yes, the brain is involved. You see, the bladder sends a message through the sensory nerves to the brain analyzes and sends a message back over the motor nerves to the bladder, and this will be a voluntary action. Clear?
Miss, the spinal cord controls the reflex and the brain controls the voluntary?
Yes, yes. Reflex actions do not involve it. In reflex actions, the brain is not involved.
Only the spinal cord.
Yes.
Only the spinal cord is involved.
That's right. Yalla, Maryam, Marwa, I need to hear you talking. علي جباعي زين.
محمد جواد أكيد لأن بعد من أول ما حكيت.
محمد جواد, hi. I miss you. Thank you for joining us.
Me too.
Yalla. Match the organs of the excretory system with the job they do. Which organ converts ammonia? Which organs converts ammonia into urea?
The liver?
The liver. Thank you. Kidney. It's the liver. Bravo. Which organ excretes waste carbon dioxide into the atmosphere?
Lungs.
The lungs. Bravo.
Lungs.
Which organ excretes waste salt and some urea in sweat?
Skin.
The skin.
The skin.
The skin. Which one stores urine ready for urination?
Bladder.
Bladder.
The bladder.
Which one controls the amount?
Kidney.
The kidney.
When kidneys fail to do their job, what are the two solutions? What do patients go
Dialysis.
through? Bravo. When kidneys fail, patient goes through dialysis أو
kidneys
transplantation.
هيك شيء.
Bravo. Bravo, you know.
Transplantation.
They take a kidney from another person.
That's
Yeah.
how they take the kidney from another person. So we're done. This was the week 2. Do you have any questions about the lesson?
No.
If you don't, you can leave now.
No.
Thank you for
Whole thing
joining
was
me.
easy.
I love you. Well done.
We love you.
Bye.
Yes,
Bye.
Love you, miss. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.